Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this wig that you see right here, but I also know that some of you guys are here for the giveaway winner. So if you guys want all the deets as well as the winner, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay love, so before I jump into the fun stuff, well I think this is all fun stuff, but the giveaway winner, first I have to definitely tell you guys about this unit that I'm rocking that is courtesy of DIVATRESS.com. They were kind enough to send me not one but two wigs, but I'm only doing one wig right now in this video, which is the one that you see right here. And so I have been waiting for this unit. So ever since I seen this unit floating around, I definitely wanted to get my hands on it, and they were kind enough to send it to me. So yes, let's jump right into all the deets of this wig. So this wig is from Sensationnel. It is from their Empress lace wig line. It is their lace front edge. So it's natural parting from the edge to the crown, which is what it says. It has a hand-tie deep center part, which is what you see right here. And it is in the style Trissa in the color Jade. So that's exactly what the model is wearing right here. She is rocking it, looking fierce. And that's what I love. I love when the models make it look great. So it makes you want to put it on, purchase it, you know, try it, all that. So yeah, that's essentially everything that's on the stock card. On the back, I do show you guys the different colors that this unit does come in, and it comes in, you know, my favorite as of lately, lavender, but I definitely wanted to try it in jade first before I go ahead and, you know, maybe cop the lavender one. And so my own personal feelings about this unit, I love it. It is really not much that I can say about this wig. It's not really much that I did to this wig. All that I did, which I will show you guys if you guys stay tuned, is I did cut off the lace. I did add mineralized skin finish in the center part. I actually didn't even want to create any type of baby hairs. Like, I could have done without it, but my baby hairs come out so far that I just did a little quick swoop right here, which is what you guys will see. That's all. It was truly optional if I wanted to do it or not. You guys don't have to do it if it's not a bother to you. Like, I don't even do baby hairs on this side. This side you're not going to see any type of my baby hairs, but this side I like to kind of put it behind my ears, so that's why I just kind of created this right here. So I did comb out the curls that it came with. As you see from the stock card, the curls were much tighter, and I don't really like uniform curls, so I did kind of brush through them or comb through them with a wide tooth comb. You guys will see the difference in what it looks like originally straight out the packaging and then when I brushed it out. So you guys can decide if you want to comb it out, or if you want to just leave the curls how they are. But other than that, you guys, I didn't do anything to this unit. It was super easy, straight out the packaging, pretty simple. I don't even know if I even needed the mineralized skin finish because I am wearing a wig grip under there. So yeah, it was pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm definitely here for it. I'm so glad that it did not disappoint. So there's not really much that I can say about this unit. You guys know, like, I love it, and when it's a wig that's just, you know, a super dope wig, like, it's not much that you can say about it because its dopeness speaks for itself. So yeah, other than that, it says that you can use heat on it, not more than 400 degrees. I'm not sure what length it is. If I had to guess, I probably would say about 24 inches or longer because I'm tall. So maybe about 24 inches, give or take. It doesn't tell me, I think, on the stock card. So that's pretty much what it is. It's super lightweight. What I say is big hair friendly. It's not too snug on my head. Like, I think I still have room. So I feel like it's definitely big hair friendly. And yeah, I think that was pretty much it about the wig. So make sure you guys definitely check it out on DIVATRESS.com, as well as all the other different wigs that they have. I will leave the link in the description box for the link to this wig, as well as you guys can check out any other wigs that they have on there. They did send me another one, like I already said, and so yeah, you guys stay tuned for that one. It is another different color. I hope that you guys like this unit. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But let's jump into who the giveaway winner is, because I know that you guys have been waiting for it. Okay love, so without further ado, let me go ahead and announce the giveaway winner of my birthday giveaway. So the winner is Courtney Thompson. Congratulations, Courtney Thompson. You have won the Rockin' Locks that I have shown in my giveaway video, and so I'm super excited, but even more so excited that I see that her birthday just passed like mine did. So her birthday was June 24th, and so we are June babies. So I couldn't be happier that she won this giveaway because, you know, it's a birthday giveaway. So I'm super excited that her birthday literally just passed. So happy birthday, happy belated birthday, Courtney. So Courtney, make sure you email me within 24 hours to let me know that you know that you want. So contact me at my email address that will be down below. Make sure you send me your information as well as your address so that I can send out your winnings as soon as possible. If Courtney doesn't respond y'all in 24 hours, then unfortunately I have to pick someone else. But I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because y'all, the giveaways are not over. I have some more giveaways in the works. So if you guys want to make sure you're entered, you have to stay tuned. So hit the notification button so you guys are aware of every time I post a video so you guys don't miss anything. So I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the unboxing, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.